Hi guys, and welcome back to Motor Planet, where today we're going to be showing you around a 2013 Renault Scenic. Now, this one in particular is the 1.6 diesel. It's the XMod Dynamic TomTom Bose Plus, which means it comes with an unbelievable amount of spec. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you around the vehicle and talk through a few of the figures from underneath the bonnet and a bit of the spec that this one's got. So, starting off with the front end, it's in a gorgeous maroon. It looks fantastic, plenty of gloss black, just breaking that maroon up. Now, looking down here, you've got daytime LED lights and spotlights. Great attention to detail with the front end, both with the grille and the lights. We've got the 5-spoke 16-inch alloy wheels, 17-inch, sorry. Bose labelling on the side of the wing there. It's in really nice condition, very well kept by the previous keeper. As we move around to the back, you'll be able to see we've got parking sensors on the rear as well, making this a breeze to park. And the boot is absolutely ginormous, but I'll move on to that in just a second. So with this one, you're going to be getting a full 3-month parts and labour warranty through the AA, which is nationwide. You're going to get a 12-month breakdown cover as well through the AA. You're also going to get a full pre-delivery inspection, a 12-month MOT with no advisories, and a service, all included in the price. We also have great finance options and extended warranties if necessary, just for our customers' peace of mind. Do feel free to get in quote for your custom quotations. So now we've had a good look around the exterior of the car and you've seen just how clean it is. Let's move on to the interior. I'll talk you through some of the spec and we'll take a quick look underneath the bonnet. So let's get started with taking a look under the bonnet. Now, under here we have a 4-cylinder diesel engine. It produces around 130 brake horsepower and up to 70 miles per gallon, resulting in a £30 a year road tax charge, which is absolutely nothing for one of these cars. So it should be nice and cheap to run. Never mind that, it's going to be reliable as well, as we've got full service history on this engine. Moving round to the boot, which I mentioned before, a great amount of space in the back of here. It's both very wide, very deep, plenty of space. Now, these seats in the rear, which I'll talk about in a second, but I'll just show you how they move. So you can slide them forward just for that added extra space if necessary. And then with the handles at the back, it's also easy to pull them backwards as well. So plenty of space in the back of there for whatever you need to throw in. Now, moving on to the door cards. Now, the attention to detail that's been done in this car is brilliant. Loads of luxurious materials, and it just looks fantastic. And it's all tied together really nicely. So just a couple of safety features on the side. Obviously, you've got your door locks. Great styling here. We've got the full leather door card with the double white stitching, electric windows all round, and those Bose speakers with that brilliant sound quality. Now, I'll put it up on the other side. I'll put it up on this side. Just for the children at the back, you do also have the sun screen as well. Now, taking a look at these seats, again, they look fabulous. So you've got like an Alcantara in the centre with the partial leather on the exterior with all of the white stitching. It looks brilliant. And we've also got the floor mats to match, which are in beautiful condition throughout. And you've also got the Isofix on the rear seat, so it's nice and safe for your children. The back of the seats are also well equipped as well for keeping the children entertained. You've both got plenty of pockets to store whatever you like in, and also the tray tables at the back. Front door card following suit to the rear, really nice styling to it. As you can see, we've got the Bose down there, the speakers, they look fantastic. You've also got the double white stitching along the leather there. We've got electric power fold wing mirrors as well, and electric windows. We've got the XMod plate at the bottom and also the scenic mats. Front seats following suit to the rear, great styling to them again, luxurious materials used, super comfortable, but don't take my word for it, come on down and see it for yourself. Just at the side, another safety feature, so you've got your airbag switch off for the passenger side, just in case your children are in there, and make it nice and safe for them. Now, just up here, you've got a couple of buttons for adjusting your lights, and also your traction control and stop start. So this engine is equipped with a stop start. You do have the power to turn it off by the push of a button, but I think it's brilliant. It saves you fuel and money. Win-win. Taking a look over the dashboard in general, there's a really nice styling to it. It's very driver orientated. Plenty of tech in here as well. So on this screen up here, it displays all of your mileage, your miles per hour, rev range and stuff like that. It also has your parking sensors, so when you do put it in reverse, your parking sensors just come up under this little circle here, giving you an insight into how the distance between the two. If I just flick the ignition on, I was hoping this screen might pop up. So anyway, the screen at the side, that is your TomTom sat-nav unit. It's very, very easy to use. It's operated by all of the buttons just down here, which are very, very handy, very easy to use. So starting from the top and working our way down, you've got your vents, your media. Now you can connect your phone up to this car as well via the Bluetooth. You've also got the option to use your USB and AUX socket as well for your media. You've got the climate control a little bit further down. Cruise control and speed limiter just a little bit below and next to your 12-volt socket. We've got automatic lights on this one as well. And it's a 6-speed manual diesel. So having that extra gear just to drop it in, lower than rev range, giving you brilliant miles per gallon for the longer journeys. Now tucked away just behind there, you've also got another, I can't remember what these are called, they're the finger touch, I think, where you can adjust your media controls and also your hands-free on there. So throughout the car there's plenty of spec to talk about, and I've probably only ran through half of it. If you do want any more details on this car, do feel free to go onto our website where there should be a full list of extras. If not, feel free to come on down and have a look around yourself, or book in for a test drive and come and see what this car's all about. Thank you very much for watching today, guys. We hope to see you all very soon. This one should fly out with the door with all of the spec on it, so grab this one while you can. Thank you very much for watching today, guys. Take care, and we'll see you all very soon.